Good evening and thank you for joining us for KREM 2 News at 5. I'm Mark Hanrahan.
And I'm Tom Sherry. Whitney is on assignment tonight. KREM 2 is following up today on a super spreader event that is continuing to cause a spike in COVID cases up in Ferry County. It was a 3-day gathering in Republic, but it's now infected nearly 100 people.
KREM 2's Whitney Ward has been tracking this story. She is in Republic tonight and has more now.
Yes, that event was billed as a recruiting event here for the Eagles Club in the town of Republic. It took place over the weekend of April 9th, 10th, and 11th. Now, some have told us that the event was also advertised as a protest against COVID restrictions, but I talked to the club president here at the Eagles. He said absolutely not. It was a dinner and poker night to attract new members. Either way, health officials tell me that patient zero has been traced back to this event. Since then, the infections here have reached far into this community. The bank had to shut down early and even bring in temporary employees from other towns. One of the only grocery stores in town also has had limited capacity. Even county services have taken a hit. Court cases are now being delayed, all because so many workers were either sick or in quarantine.
There's been 95 people that have tested positive since that event, and the vast majority of those people, there was some association either by the attendance or from a secondary infection that resulted in a positive case. So they continue to test very widely. At present, they tested over 500 people, and they continue to test. Even today, there's still demand for people that are going in with symptoms and needing to be tested.
When did you realize that this was a serious problem?
Within the first 5 or 6 days, just because the amount of people who are showing up symptomatic to get tested had spiked, significantly, and we were already seeing people showing up at the hospital within that first week, which we hadn't seen a COVID positive patient that was ill for several weeks to months prior to that.
Now hospitalizations are also on a sharp incline. Some patients are even being sent to Spokane or Wenatchee, where capacity has also been limited. Right now, there is a sign on the door here at the Eagles telling people that it is closed until further notice. In the meantime, health officials told me today they fully expect the numbers to continue getting worse before they get better. They also expect to see more cases in outlying areas start to pop up as well as this virus continues to spread across the region. In Republic tonight, Whitney Ward, KREM 2 News.